Refer to the Marvin Ultimate Casement and Ultimate Awning supplemental installation instructions for more information. Install the screen housing on the hinge side of the window by inserting the barbs into the frame curve. Repeat this step by installing the new jam side stop on the opposite locking side. Install the head jamb and sill tracks for casements or the side tracks for awnings by tilting the tracks towards the hinge side and inserting them into the frame curve. Be careful not to damage the screen mesh or scratch any wood parts during the installation. Insert the trailing edge of both guide blocks into the open pockets in the track and push the pull bar into its retracted position. Install the track covers by inserting the barbs into the mating track curve. Now extend the screen mesh across the window and retract the screen back into its housing. Reinstall the lock escutcheon. Then reinstall the lock handle. Reinstall the operator cover. Then install the operator handle. Tighten the screw on the operating handle. Now your retractable screen is installed. There you have it, a beautiful retractable screen.